Everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve reversed first k elements of queue. So here we are given a queue of given length and an integer k. Okay, integer k. We have to reverse first k elements, which is three here. Example one, we will reverse first three elements 1 to 3, which will get converted to 3 to 1, and will return the resultant queue. So in this case 3 to 1 and 4 5, since elements after k need not to be touched anyways, so I just return as they are. Similarly, in example 2, you have queue of length 4 and k is also 4. Cool. You are given an input 4321. Input queue is 4321, and you have to reverse first 4 elements. Since the length of queue itself is 4, so this time we will just reverse the entire queue. So after reversal, it will get converted to 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is what it will return. So I won't be solving this question using queue. I will solve this question using list method and list slicing. So what will I do is I have created an empty list result res. Now I will use slicing and will add two sliced list to this result res given created variable. Okay. Now first thing, where see this is k minus see this is k elements, this is k elements, right? So what we have to do is we can start from k minus 1 and reverse it. So this is the method. We are starting with k minus 1, ending at the last of what, and we are minus 1 because we are moving backwards. So starting from k minus 1, moving backwards will lead us to where? Lead us to beginning of the string. Since it is beginning of the string, we have omitted writing any integer value, okay, any index value. And in the end, I will again add what? Will again add q. This- Okay, let's return our result. Let's see, have I done it correct? Okay, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sorry. I just, my bad. I have to return k elements after k. Okay, yeah. So if you don't understand, again I will reiterate that starting from k minus 1 index, we have to move backwards, but till where? We have to move till the end. But end in backwards will lead to the front of the list. Okay. Now again, this will lead us to the this will give us k reversals, initial k reversals, which is the task we have to do. But after k such elements, so in example one we have saw that k was 3, so we reverse 3 elements, 3 to 1. Okay. Now again after the k elements, we have to return those elements as they are. So that is what I did. Again I use slicing, starting from the k, going to the end of the list. But this time I have not used the third parameter, third argument. So it will lead us to what? Lead us to just forward traversal. So I've just returned it and let me submit it for you. I hope you will be able to understand. Since it is pretty easier method, and this is possible only in Python. Since I know Python, so this is possible only in Python. I do not know about other languages much. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.